Is the premiere of Because I Love You. I'm so excited. I'm going on live on IG at around 8:45 Pacific, 11:45 Eastern, that is. And I'm so excited to watch it with you guys. We're going to talk a little bit about the making of the song before, and yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. And here I'm going to show some more of my favorite TikToks I've been doing. And yeah, I'm so excited for tonight. Hello. Um, I'm so excited. So, for those of you who are just joining, tonight I am releasing my song called Because I Love You. Um, Somebody said, "Where's Halo?" He's upstairs. Tonight I'm so excited, and I really just can't wait for you guys to see this video. We have about 9 minutes, okay? 9 minutes until the premiere. So let me put this YouTube link in the chat. I'm going to pin this because this is the YouTube link to the watch party. And we have about 9 minutes before it premieres. Yeah. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So this song means a lot to me. I don't really want to say too much about it because I don't want to give it away before you guys see the video. But I will say that this song is very near and dear to my heart. I wrote this song with my beautiful friend Ray, and Joints produced it. And we just had a great day in the studio. And it was such a great day. And I remember I left and I had listened to this again. And I was like, wait a minute. This is pretty good. Something is really good about this. So, I don't know how to make the link blue. Can I make the link able for y'all to click? Can somebody tell me how do I do that? And if not, it's literally in my bio right now. So you can just click on my profile and then go to my bio. But the link should work. Yeah, so you could just copy it and then go. Or just search Because I Love You. I'm so excited, you guys. So what's everybody been doing today? We have about 7 minutes to kill. How's everybody been doing? Yeah. Okay, somebody said it works. Okay, good. Oh, somebody said Hola from St. Lucia. Hi, the baddie me. Hi. Yeah, so I am ready. I am so excited. Okay, let me see some of your questions. Okay, somebody asked, what was the writing process like with Miss Ray? Okay, so you guys know, I've known Ray for a little bit now, for a few years. I would always see her at writing camps. I think we would always see each other at like B's writing camps, and we just were obsessed with her, like just how loving of a person she is and like how talented she is, her and her sisters. And I don't know, I just really click with just women, like female energy when creating, because I was so used to writing with Chloe my whole life. So when I meet another fellow talented musician who just loves creating, it makes me so happy. So I'm so proud of Ray and everything she's done and everything she's doing. So yeah, I was so grateful that she had helped me with a lot of songs actually on my project that's gonna come out, but this one is one of my favorites. Yeah, okay, next question. How did you come up with the concept for the video? Well, I don't want to spill too much about it, but it is based off of my real life events. I feel like this whole period of my life, I'm in a new transitional phase of just bad connection. Can you guys see me? Sorry. Should I turn on my LTE? But basically, anyway, long story short, it's based off it should work now though. Yay! Okay, we're back. We are back and we're better. Yeah, let me know if this is better, if you guys can see me clear and stuff. I'm sorry if it keeps stopping. I'm in the basement and my Wi-Fi is not great. But like I was saying before, this song is very near and dear to my heart. It's based off of true events. And yeah, I hope that you guys like it. But if you click the link, in my bio right now, and I'm also going to put it here in the comments so that you can just copy it. And then we just watch it together in about 2 more minutes. I'm going to pin this comment. And then, yeah, but it's literally, it's in here or in my Instagram bio. So as soon as we click off this live in about 2 minutes, just hit my profile and then click the link. And then, yeah, I'm really curious to see what you guys think. I've never done a video like this. This is like a little bit of me coming out of my comfort zone. Just a little bit of what you guys are used to seeing of me. So I'm excited and I hope that you like it. Yeah, I'm like, somebody said I'm gonna watch it on my big screen. Thank you. But if everybody now goes, well, in about 1 minute, if you click this link that I just pinned, or go to the bio, my IG bio, or my Twitter, or whatever, click it right now, and you can literally watch it. I'm so excited. It's yeah, we got 1 more minute. Y'all, I'm nervous. My heart is beating fast. I really do want to know what y'all think though, because I like it, but I'm trying something new. You know, it's a little bit out of my comfort, and but it's a song I love. So it's 9 o'clock now. You can go watch it. Click off of here. I'm leaving. I'm gonna go watch it. Click the link in my
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Woo! Love that tune. And it's all because I love you, babe.